Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools, your go-to spot for car DIYs and the best tools around. Today, we're diving into the OBD2 scanner, but not just any OBD2 scanner, the one with Throttle Relearn. If you've ever cleaned your throttle body or replaced sensors, this tool will be a game changer. Why Throttle Relearn? So, why exactly do we need Throttle Relearn? Well, after cleaning your throttle body, replacing the throttle position sensor, or even disconnecting the battery, your car's throttle system can lose its calibration. This can lead to weird issues like rough idling, hesitation when accelerating, or even stalling out completely. Sounds familiar, right? That's because the throttle body needs to recalibrate to the ECU to know where the idle position and full throttle are. What is Throttle Relearn? Throttle Relearn is the process where the car's ECU, engine control unit, recalibrates the throttle body's position. Think of it like teaching your car's brain where the throttle starts, where it finishes, and everything in between. Without this, your car won't know exactly how to adjust airflow when you press the accelerator, leading to poor engine response. Now, let's get to the fun part, using the OBD2 scanner to fix it. First, plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port. It's usually located beneath the dashboard, near the driver's seat. Once you've connected it, power up your scanner. Navigate to the Throttle Relearn option. Most good OBD2 scanners will have this function in their advanced menu. If yours doesn't, it's time for an upgrade. Trust me, you'll want a scanner with this feature. Select Throttle Relearn, and the scanner will send a signal to your car's ECU, instructing it to reset the throttle body position. This might take a minute, so just hang tight. During this process, the ECU will learn the throttle body's rest position, full open position, and everything in between. You'll notice that your idle speed stabilizes as the process continues. Once the relearn is complete, you should notice smoother idling, better throttle response, and improved acceleration. No more stalling or sluggish starts. Quick tips and common mistakes. Now, here are a couple of quick tips. First, clear any stored codes before doing the relearn. If you don't clear old codes, the scanner might give false readings, which means it might not reset properly. Also, after the relearn, always check your drivability. Sometimes, the ECU might need a few drives to completely adapt to the new settings. And there you have it. With just a few minutes and a reliable OBD2 scanner, you've fixed that throttle issue and got your car running like new again. Throttle Relearn isn't just a fancy tech term. It's essential for getting the best performance out of your ride. If you found this tooltip useful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Weekly Tools for more DIY car tips and tricks every week. See you next time.